back to my channel. My name is Lo. If you're new, welcome. Today I filmed this look for you. It could be for Valentine's. It's not. I use pinks and mauves, but I feel like the camera doesn't do it justice. I don't feel like it does it justice. I don't know, but it's really pretty. But if you want to see how I achieve this look, then please keep watching. I'm going to I'll show you the eyeshadows that I use, and I'll list anything down in the description bar. And if I forget to mention anything, it'll be down there. So I'm gonna take my, this is discontinued, but I'm gonna take my Tamina Dress Your Face Anastasia palette, and I'm gonna go in with Bingle, and I'm going to put that all over the lid. I have already primed my eye. I don't really use primer, I just use like concealer or like the foundation and any concealer that I put underneath my eye, and then I just set it. But I did go in with Fresh, this color right here, and I did put it all over my lid first. He wants to come in. Guys wants to come in. Just go in with go in like that, and I'm just gonna take it and put it right in the crease of my eye and just build it up. And I'm just using my Sephora number 10 blending brush as usual. Alright, and then I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna take a smaller fluffy brush, and I'm gonna go in with Sangria, and I'm gonna put that in the crease as my transition color, and I'm going to just put that right in there, and then just go back with your the first brush, the Sephora blush brush, and just diffuse the edges and just blend it out. Alright, so then I'm going to take a pencil brush just like this, and I'm going to go in with this Makeup Forever blush color. The number is scratched off, but yeah, it's this one. I'm going to go in and I'm going to just put this right in the corner and just really make it, I'm going to do the same thing like I did with the Sangria shade, and I'm going to put it all across. But I'm going to just keep it controlled and not go all over my crease. And then you'll go back in with that brush that you use for Sangria, and then you'll just blend that out. And then once you're done with that, you will take your Shape Tape, and you're gonna just put a little dab right there, and then you see? And so then that tells me that's where my crease hits, right there. So you'll take your brush, and you'll just etch out. Alright, and then I'm going to take my Morphe B8 brush, and I'm going to go in with my Anastasia Modern Renaissance palette. Got like a hair in my mouth, or on my lip. And with Primavera, And I'm gonna put this right on my lid. Vermeer, this one right above Primavera, and I'm just gonna flip the brush and I'm gonna put this right in the front. Flip it back and just kind of just like that, and then yeah, I'm gonna go in with a fluffy brush. This is a tapered blending from shit, I don't even know the name. But I'm gonna go in with this color right, Bone Fresco. I don't know how to say it. I feel like they're so like French. Or no, I don't know. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of that. And I'm gonna put it right here on the outside. And just blend. Put it right on the outer corner. And I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna kind of take some on top and blend it on top. Like that. I really like this color. The Modern Renaissance palette is probably my favorite. It just has a lot of everyday colors that I use. Now we're gonna take our Tarte's eye paint, or what is it, clay paint liner, and I'm gonna go in with a BH just eyeliner brush, just this brush right here, and I'm just gonna do a wing liner. I do have a video on how I do my wing liner, so I'm not gonna get into full detail on it. I will list the video down below and you can see it's just a video dedicated to how I do my wing liner. So I might not go into detail on this one. Okay, so what I'm gonna do to kind of darken up that liner and to kind of give it that smoky liner effect, I'm going to take a really like a shader brush, and like a flat shader brush, and I'm gonna go in with, I'm gonna go back in my Tamina palette, and there is Noir, this one. Well, actually, yeah, let's just use that one. Noir. It's by Anastasia, and I'm sure you can, it's in probably in a lot of other palettes. She normally has black and all in several of her palettes. So I'm gonna just take that and just go over the liner. And just kind of, in a way, like set what I have laid down already. And then just go on that line of that edge of that liner. Line that edge of that liner. Interesting. And I'm just going to start smoking it out. Kind of like if I'm trying to erase that top. But I'm just putting eyeshadow on top. Just like that. I'm just gonna clean up the bottom of my eyes with a brush. I can't. Oh, here it is. You normally want to lay like some powder down, but And go back in with that Limon Fresco color. It's not Beaumont, it's got to be something else, like bone. It's probably like bone. I'm going to go ahead and just put some black eyeliner underneath. Let's go ahead and do the under eye. And what I normally do is basically everything I did on the top, I do it on the bottom, but I'm only going to use about 3 colors. So I'm going to take this color that we used for our sangria, and I'm going to go back in with that color Bingo, and you could probably use the same brown that's in on the Modern Renaissance. You could probably use burnt orange. They're fairly similar. I'm just gonna go back in with Bingo because that's what I used, and you know, whatever. So I'm gonna put that right underneath my eye. And then I'm gonna go in with my MAC flat brush, and I think it's $2.89, I'm not sure. And I'm gonna go back in with sangria. And just put that underneath as well. I'm gonna go in with that BH flat shader brush that we used for the black. Go back in with Noir, and I'm just gonna put it at the corner. Fluffy brush. Just poke it out. Your Morphe B8 brush, and I'm gonna take, what was it? I think it's Primavera, the one that we originally put on our lid, and we're gonna go in right here, right in the front. Then go in with the mirror, which is the lighter one that makes everything kind of pop, and go in right here. I'm gonna take my NYX Wonder Pencil, and I'm gonna put this in my waterline. All right, let's move on to the face and let's just finish it up. I'm gonna take my Estee Lauder Bronze Goddess, and I'm just going to bronze up the face. My Tarte Feisty. I just love it. Nicole Guerrero palette, and I'm just going to highlight my face. Glow Getter. And I like to put this on wet. MAC Cork to line the lips, and then I'm gonna go back in with MAC FleshPot, and then of course I'm gonna use my MAC Cream Sheen Glass and dress the part. That's just, I just love it. I just absolutely love it. So let's go ahead and line the lips. Alright guys, so that is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed. And if you do recreate this look, don't forget to tag me. I would love to see your recreations on Instagram. You can also Snapchat me. I will have all my social media down below. And as far as other previous videos, if you've missed any, I will have those linked down below as well. Again, if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.